family operation started in the early 1940s with my great-grandfather Harold and Gertrude Chase, and then in 1973, when my father was getting ready to go to college, he and my grandfather Richard started JDR Farms, and what that entailed was a small feedlot operation and then also farming. Later on, after my grandfather had passed away in 2005, we became Alexander Cattlemen Farms, which is what we currently are now. And as of 2005, when we had to become DEQ compliant, we expanded to 5,000 head feedlot operation, which also entails about 1,500 acres of farmland. And now we're fully DEQ compliant and running at full capacity. Basically, the framework of Alexander Cattle starts with JD, my father, and he is kind of the day-to-day operations in the office, buying, selling, making sure everything runs smoothly in the office. And my mother, Deborah, is also involved. She's in here doing all the office and bookwork, keeping everything up to date, bills are paid, and so that's her job and responsibility in this. And then it moves to myself. I kind of run all day-to-day operations outside, and along with my wife Darcy, she's my right-hand man not only at home, but doing all my bookwork here at the feedlot as well. And so JD is actually the third generation of this operation, and I'm the fourth. And of course, I have children of my own. I have a daughter Danica, who is 6, a son Jace, who is 4, and a daughter Allie, who is 4.5 months. And I also have a sister who lives in Omaha and comes back and visits quite often, so that's it's definitely a family-oriented operation here. Here at Alexander Cattle, we are a family operation, and we have employees that have been with us for 20 years or more. We have a good longevity of guys staying here. We have a guy that's our lead in our farming operation who's been here with us for 20 years, and we have a guy that's been with us for almost 10 years who is our lead in our cattle program. And then we have part-time help that comes in seasonally and even throughout the whole year that help us wherever duty calls. So we're a little unique in that we have people that stay with us for a long time, and it's, like I said, it's a very family feeling.